Hello, this is Jessica from WeDo. We are here at InfoComm 26 and with our new release. One of our new products is the video bar TB6X. It is built in with optical zoom camera and a lens cover, and also built in with a microphone array and hi-fi speaker here. You can say when you open the camera, the lens cover is on, and when you close the camera, the lens cover will be closed. Yeah. Yeah, this video bar is perfect designed for media to huddle room to media size room. And if a room is bigger, you can have the wireless extension microphones on the table. You don't need any cables at all. It is totally wireless, and you can mute.
Microphone unmuted.
And unmute. After the meeting, you put it back to charge. So it is always with battery, and the meeting is ready to go. Yeah. This is our new product, and if you need more information, please come to our website, www.WeDoInnov.com. Thank you.